In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add delay in Freshsales. Adding a delay in Freshsales is done through a workflow using a time-related action. This is useful when you want something to happen a bit later, like sending a follow-up email after a new lead comes in, instead of sending it instantly. Start by opening Freshsales and looking at the left sidebar. Click the admin settings icon, which looks like a gear. This takes you into the area where you control automations and rules for your account. Next, find workflows. Depending on your layout, it may appear under Teams and Territories or under an automation section. Click Workflows to open the Workflow Manager, where you can create and edit automation sequences. Now create a new workflow by clicking the Create Workflow button. Give your workflow a clear name that describes what it does. For example, include the module and the purpose, so it is easy to recognize later when you have multiple workflows. After naming it, you will be asked to select a module. Choose the module where you want this delay to apply, such as leads or contacts. This is important because it decides which records will trigger the workflow and which fields and actions will be available. Then set your trigger. Choose when a record is created if you want the delay to start as soon as a new record is added. Or choose when a record is updated if you want the delay to start only after a change happens, like a status update or a new value in a field. Pick the option that matches your business process. Next, add conditions. This controls which records qualify for the workflow. For example, you might only want the delayed email to go out when the source is a web form. Be specific with conditions so the workflow does not run for the wrong records. Finally, go to the Actions section and click Add a time-related action. This is where you add the delay. Choose the action you want to happen, such as sending an email to the contact, and then set the timing so it runs after the delay you need. Double-check the time settings and make sure the action is attached to the right workflow path. That covers everything you need to know.